Is the Fellow Electric Kettle's temperature gauge actually accurate, or is it just pretty numbers on a screen? I decided to test mine. I set it to 160 degrees to start, and I was pretty impressed and surprised to discover that the temperature was within a couple of degrees of 160. So I went up to 180 degrees. I thought I would test it at a couple different levels just to see. Again, when I actually tested it, it was actually 180 degrees according to my thermometer. So took it up to 200 degrees, one final test, moment of truth. Let's find out if this one actually worked as well. And lo and behold, 200 degrees just about. So I would say the internal temperature sensor is working and the water is actually at the temperature that it says it's at.